how to turn on or turn off live transcribe one sound notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, so click on live transcribe. So after click on live transcribe, so click on one live transcribe. So after click on one live transcribe, so click on this settings icon. So after click on this settings icon, you will see click on one sound notification. So after click on one sound notification, so if you want to turn on, turn off live transcript open sound notification, you will see. So if you want to turn on sound notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see sound notification is turned on. So if you want to turn off sound notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see sound notification is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off sound notification from here. So after the process, go back to transcript. So if you want to turn on live transcript, so turn on this button and turn off this button. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off live transcribe open sound notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.